Hello, and welcome to today's in-depth exploration of the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, AI. In this video, we'll unravel the mysteries surrounding AI from its definition and functioning to its applications and potential benefits and dangers. So, buckle up as we embark on a journey to understand the intricate workings of this transformative technology. What is artificial intelligence? Let's start by delving into the essence of artificial intelligence. AI refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that traditionally required human intelligence. This broad definition includes activities like recognizing speech, making decisions, and identifying patterns. The umbrella term AI spans various technologies, such as machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing, NLP. However, there exists a debate about the extent to which current technologies truly constitute AI. Some argue that our current technology, like advanced machine learning, is merely a stepping stone towards achieving true artificial intelligence, often referred to as artificial general intelligence, AGI. Despite philosophical nuances, when we use the term AI today, it generally refers to machine learning-powered technologies, like ChatGPT and computer vision, enabling machines to perform tasks previously exclusive to human capabilities, such as generating content. Data. Understanding this broader context sets the stage for exploring the multifaceted realm of AI and its evolving applications. How does artificial intelligence work? Building an AI system involves a meticulous process of reverse engineering human traits into machines, enabling them to surpass human capabilities. To comprehend the functioning of AI, one must explore its various subdomains and their applications across diverse industries. An artificial intelligence course provides a comprehensive understanding, covering machine learning, ML, which teaches machines to make inferences and decisions based on past experience. This involves pattern identification and data analysis, streamlining decision-making for businesses. Additionally, deep learning, a subset of ML processes inputs through layers to classify, infer, and predict outcomes. Natural language processing, NLP, enables machines to read, understand, and interpret human language, paving the way for seamless communication between humans and AI systems. Artificial intelligence examples. With a grasp of how AI functions, let's explore real-world examples that showcase its versatility and impact on our daily lives. Although humanoid robots are yet to materialize, machine learning-powered services are already prevalent. ChatGPT utilizes large language models to generate text responses, showcasing the capability of AI and natural language understanding. Google Translate employs deep learning algorithms to seamlessly translate text across languages, breaking down communication barriers. In the entertainment realm, Netflix harnesses machine learning to create personalized recommendation engines based on users' viewing history, enhancing the overall user experience. Tesla's use of computer vision and self-driving features highlights the integration of AI in the automotive industry, shaping the future of transportation. These examples illustrate the diverse applications of AI from language processing to entertainment and autonomous vehicles, shaping the way we interact with technology on a daily basis. AI in the workforce. Artificial intelligence's impact extends far beyond the realms of technology. It is reshaping the workforce across diverse industries. Automation of tasks that once required human intervention not only saves time and money, but also minimizes the risk of human error. In the finance industry, AI excels in fraud detection, analyzing vast datasets to identify anomalies indicative of fraudulent behavior. This application enhances security and financial integrity. Moreover, in the healthcare sector, AI-powered robotics are ushering in a new era of surgical precision. These robots can operate near delicate organs, reducing blood loss and the risk of infection, showcasing the potential for AI to revolutionize medical procedures. As we witness AI seamlessly integrating into the workforce, it becomes evident that its transformative capabilities are not limited to specific sectors, but are fundamentally altering the landscape of how tasks are accomplished across various domains. The 4 types of AI. Now, let's delve deeper into the fascinating world of AI by exploring the 4 distinct types that researchers have identified. According to Professor Aaron Hintz of the University of Michigan, the first type is reactive machine. These are basic AI systems that react to immediate stimuli but lack knowledge of past events. They excel at narrow-scope tasks, like playing chess, within their limited context. Moving up the ladder, we encounter limited memory machines. These systems have a partial understanding of past events, allowing them to interact more extensively with their surroundings. An example is self-driving cars, which use limited memory to make turns and adjust speed based on observations. Next, we have theory of mind machines, representing an early form of artificial general intelligence. These machines can create representations of the world and understand other entities within it. Lastly, self-aware machines, the theoretically most advanced AI, possess an understanding of the world, others, and themselves. Achieving this level of AI remains a distant goal, but it sparks exciting possibilities for the future. AI benefits and dangers. As we immerse ourselves in the potential of AI, it's essential to consider both its promising benefits and potential dangers. On the positive side, AI brings greater accuracy to repeatable tasks, such as assembling vehicles or computers. The increased efficiency of machines can lead to decreased operational costs, and personalization within digital services and products is enhanced, improving user experiences. Moreover, AI facilitates improved decision-making in specific situations and empowers the rapid generation of new content, be it text or images. However, the transformative power of AI also raises concerns. Job loss is a looming challenge due to increased automation impacting various industries. There's a potential for bias or discrimination stemming from the data sets on which AI is trained, and cybersecurity concerns loom large as AI systems become integral to critical infrastructures. A lack of transparency in how AI systems arrive at decisions may result in suboptimal solutions, while the potential to generate misinformation raises ethical dilemmas. Artificial intelligence is a powerful force shaping our present and future. Understanding its intricacies, applications, and potential risks is crucial as we navigate this evolving technological landscape. With great power comes great responsibility, and by staying informed, we can contribute to a world where AI serves as a force for good. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on cutting-edge technologies. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep exploring the wonders of the digital frontier.